What up guys, this is the B-Tech. Today let's talk about One UI 2.5 features. I just got the update and it came up packed with a lot of features that I think are quite great. The device I'll be using is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Welcome to the B-Tech. Feature number 1, Live Caption. Turning this feature on allows your phone to generate captions in real time. This feature will detect speech and allow your phone to generate captions on the screen. It could be on YouTube or Instagram or Netflix whenever there's a speech detected. Now this is how you turn it on. Go to Settings, select Accessibility and go to Hearing Enhancement, and when you get there, scroll the way down and you're going to find Live Captions. Toggle it on and you got it gone. But it's going to take a hit on the battery. Now moving on to the camera, you can now change the time on the single take mode like this. You want it to be 10 seconds, or 15 seconds, or 9 seconds, all it's up to you. If you go to the Pro video mode and you tap on the Harmony option, now you're able to choose which mic you want to use when you're recording a video. It could be the front mic of the phone, that is maybe if you're vlogging with the front camera. And sometimes you want to use the back mic to record what is behind the phone, like an interview for example. This is quite great to see. There's a Bluetooth option, just in case you have Bluetooth earphones like the Galaxy Buds, you can use the mic on the Galaxy Buds to actually record the audio there. And now if you go to the Instagram mode, it just used to have one camera option, that was just the wide angle. But now you're now able to choose from the ultra wide angle, the wide angle, and the 2x, and that is going to work for photos and videos, which is pretty cool because sometimes you want to post an ultra wide photo on Instagram quickly. Now all you gotta do is just to go to Instagram mode, take the picture, and then boom, you're good to go. And if you're liking this video and if you like what you're watching, a subscribe would be amazing. Now if you go now to the game launcher, there's some subtle change. You can now change the theme of the game drawer. This way, it used to be having the same theme, but now you can kind of change the way it looks. Like press on this little button on the top corner and change the background color over there. You can choose amongst the colors that are provided. The overall big card of the game that is over there on the screen just looks different. It's now more presentable and it kind of gives you some statistics of how many Galaxy players are playing this game at this time on this day. Some information that may not be important, other people might find important. Now let's go to the Notes app. In the Notes app, you're now able to share notes in different formats. It could be PDF, Microsoft Word file, PPT, image file, text file, just a little bit of more flexibility. And this relationship between Microsoft and Samsung, those two companies are working together, which is pretty dope. And another feature that I think is way undermined by people is DeX. When the Samsung Galaxy S10 came out, DeX was only possible if you had to connect your phone to your TV or to your laptop. For a TV, you have to have an HDMI cable, and for a laptop or a computer, all you needed was just a simple USB cable. Connect your phone and then you're able to use DeX. But now in this case, you're not able to use DeX wirelessly. Moving on to the Edge panel. On the Edge panel, you can add up to 10 applications on the apps panel, and you can scroll a little bit up and down, and the top part, there are these little dotted lines that are actually separating the apps that you're recently using and the rest of the apps, which is great. And if you go all the way down and you press on this little button, you're able to open the app drawer. And then on the tools panel, there is nothing really new to see, but it's just that they just redesigned the whole panel. the way it looked back before and now the way it looks now. And now moving on to the weather application, nothing much has changed on the weather application except for this little cool animation that is over there. Bad thing, I cannot put it as a widget on my screen. I don't know why. If you put the widget on my screen, it's not going to be moving. But if you get in the weather application, you're able to see this animation there. And the way the picture on top here looks more presentable right now. Thumbs up for that. And one of the best features I've actually found is the integration of YouTube on the Samsung keyboard. That is amazing, honestly. So the YouTube, it kind of gives a little YouTube page down there, and then you can simply search what you want. Let's search the Karate Kid. So you go on the keyboard and type the Karate Kid, and it's going to give you the Karate Kid videos. Select the one that you want, and then it's going to send the link directly on the chat, on the message like this. That is convenient. And if I want to watch the video, that at first I have to press this little arrow that is on the right. If I press the arrow, it takes me right to YouTube, then I can watch my YouTube video. Pretty nifty, isn't it? And another feature on the keyboard, now with the Samsung keyboard, if your phone is in landscape, you're not able to type more comfortably because they introduced the splitting of the keyboard in landscape, which makes typing way easy. Previously, you were going to have this wide keyboard, which was going to be really difficult for you to reach the letters in the middle, the likes of Q, G, and H, those letters in the middle of the keyboard. This just solved the problem. So guys, there you have it. These are the One UI 2.5 features. And my favorite of them all was the little YouTube in the Samsung keyboard. That was cool. And let me know in the comment what your favorite feature was, and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. So this is the Big Tech. Peace out.